Hey guys, Coach here. So we're winding up our day here. It's about quarter till 11. We finished up our day, 6 wins, 1 loss, 86% win rate. Our first 4 trades hit all 3 targets. We have 2 trades running with 14 minutes left. That is the 1570 strike rate and the 1566 strike rate on Nadex. Over here on a broker, it would be somewhere between here and here, depending upon where you got in, where it met your mindset. So this is strategy 6. It's a trend trade. These 2 signals came off of that strategy 6. I didn't, as you can see, I did not play it. If I played it, you would see my entries and my exits, like I entered here this morning and got out down here. I didn't play this one because I was coaching some folks through these Nadex trades. So it works on both brokers, Oanda, Forex.com, and Nadex. So what I'm doing now is everybody's left the room. I'm in here, and I'm just tracking to see how far they go because they've already hit what they were supposed to hit. Because we had that 1 loss, number 5, when we took number 6. Number 6 was to cover the loss with a win. We lost $1 or $10, depending upon how many contracts, and we covered it with winning either $1 or $10. So 5 and 6 are squashed. If you're an experienced trader and you stayed in number 6, which it's still running, it has already hit target 2. With that mindset, you would be 1 win, 1 loss, not even, but 1 win, 1 loss, up 10 or 20 or $30 as opposed to being even. So come join the live room and I'll show you how we walk through and we find our turn zones and our strike zones. We're looking at 4 different strategies here. We're looking at 1 simple trend strategy here. Figure out what the 4 binary steps are. In other words, did it do this, yes or no? If it's yes, go to step 2. Did it do that, yes or no? If not, make a decision, go to step 3. If it's yes or no, make a decision, and so on and so forth. So this morning's win record was 6-1 for some, 5-0 for others, 2-0 for one lady, 3-0 for someone else. And so all the results are going to be different. That's going to be based off your skill set. How well do you know the strategies that I teach you, or you learned them somewhere else, but how well are they doing? Like, what's your win record? Do you know how to find your win record? Like, what's your target range? Are you hunting with a rifle and you got to hit a bullseye and make $100 every trade? Or what if I showed you how to make $10 10 times? It's still $100 and it's a lot more fun. So if you have any questions, let me know. Tradingfriends.org. See you. Peace.